Matplotlib's subplot method is key for arranging multiple plots within a single figure. Crucial for comparing different data aspects side by side. You use PLT, subplot, rows, columns, plot_index to define each plot's position. Let's illustrate with the TIPS dataset. We can quickly create comparative visualizations. For example, PLT, subplot 1, 2, 1 allows us to plot a histogram of total_bill. Then PLT, subplot 1, 2, 2 can display a scatter plot of total_bill versus tip. This way, we efficiently analyze the total_bill distribution right alongside its relationship with tip amounts, enhancing our data insights.
The example begins by importing matplotlib.pyplot for plotting, Seaborn for easy data visualization, and Pandas for data manipulation. It then loads the TIPS dataset, a commonly used dataset for demonstrating data analysis tasks, using sns.load_dataset. A plt.figure call initializes an empty figure canvas where all our plots will reside, with a specified fig size for better presentation.
The fig.add_subplot, nrows, ncols, index method is then used to add individual plotting areas, known as axes, to our figure. For instance, fig.add_subplot 2, 2, 1 creates an axis object at the first position of a 2x2 grid. We repeatedly call this method, assigning each new axis to a variable, ax1, ax2, etc., allowing us to plot distinct visualizations on each. The first two subplots display the distributions of total_bill and tip using SNS, histplot to understand their individual patterns.
The third and fourth subplots delve deeper into the data relationships. Ax3 visualizes the correlation between total_bill and tip using ASNS, scatterplot, distinguishing customers by whether they are smokers using the hue parameter. This helps assess if smoking status influences tipping behavior. Ax4 employs SNS, boxplot to compare tip amounts across different days of the week, providing insights into daily tipping variations. Each subplot is given a descriptive title and appropriate axis labels for clarity.
The resulting visual output is a 2x2 grid of plots. The top left panel shows the distribution of total bills. The top right shows tip amounts. The bottom left illustrates the relationship between total bill and tip colored by smoker status. And the bottom right presents a comparison of tip amounts across different days of the week.